Hi everybody. I just went on my story a few minutes ago to say I was going live. If you've never made chocolate covered strawberries before, you need to watch this because they're so easy. Everybody loves chocolate covered strawberries. You can make them for Valentine's Day. And if you just want to make a great dessert or even a snack just to have before dinner with a glass of champagne before you go have dinner, or just whatever you want to do with them, they're delicious and you cannot go wrong. So I'm going to go slow and hopefully some people will join in and watch. And please comment, ask me questions, tell me what kind of videos you want to see because I'm really having fun with this. I'm going to go live a lot more. I have a great Zoe who is filming this and she is teaching me all kinds of stuff, so I'm really excited about learning. But anyway, back to the strawberries. So I have these really beautiful, I went to Whole Foods today, they're organic strawberries, they're Driscoll's and they're huge and I know they're tasty. But one of the most important things is when you wash them, make sure that you really dry them because then the chocolate will stick. And so you can get any kind of chocolate chips that you want. I was just at Whole Foods so I got what they had. And these are just little white chocolate mini morsels, and these are the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And in my bowls, I've melted them, and I don't do all the, melt them over hot water. I put these in the microwave in 30-minute increments. This is about 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And just put them in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and stir until the chocolate gets the consistency that you want it to be. And then, all you do, let me get rid of this fork. All you do is dip your strawberries, and you can put as much or as little chocolate as you like. I kind of like a lot. So you dip it and you just let it fall into the bowl, and then you want to put it on a parchment lined baking sheet. And so I'm going to do a few of these. I'm going to do the big ones because they're so pretty. And just hold them by the stem end. If you can find them, get the ones with the long stem. They're so beautiful. And they're probably easier to find on Valentine's Day than any other time. So,
someone says hello from Morocco.
Hello from Morocco. Hi, I hope you like chocolate covered strawberries. That's fun. Okay, and then do a couple more. If you want to, you can put these in the refrigerator and then you can go back and dip them again. So you have a double layer of chocolate. But just for time's sake, I am going to just go ahead and do these right now. I'm going to dip one more and then show you what I do with the white chocolate. And if you want to, you could put a little drop of red food coloring in here to make your white chocolate chips red. You could do it orange for, Halloween, chocolate covered strawberries for Halloween, but hey, why not? So then just take a fork and just drizzle over the top of the chocolate. If you want it to be really fancy, you could use a pastry bag, but this is supposed to be easy and fun, and you just can't go wrong because they taste so good. So just keep drizzling as much or as little as you want. Got that one a little close, but they're still pretty. And if you go into a Godiva store, you're gonna pay so much money for the very same thing. And these are so easy to make, so. Okay, so after this, you simply put these in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Pour yourself a glass of champagne and serve them. So I hope you'll make these for a special Valentine's Day treat, and keep watching, keep checking back for more live videos, and I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment and let me know.